So I believe our next competitor is ready to go. So we're going to go straight over to the next stage. Representing the United Kingdom from Assembly Coffee, Alessandro Zengiaro.
Hi. Hi. Nice to meet you. Are you okay? Judges, are you ready? Great. You ready too? Perfect. You ready? Great. Time. Judges, welcome. I'm Alessandro, and I'm so excited to be here in front of you. Today, I'm here representing the United Kingdom as 3 years ago, guided by Coffee Reason, I left my country and I moved to London. So, in the next few minutes, I will share with you some bits about myself and this amazing experience. And of course, I will do it through Latte. Now, judges, please make yourselves comfortable. It's time for my first report, the rider. I created this pattern a few time ago, thinking about 2 guys in particular who have been part of my day-to-day life for the last 3 years. Now, if I can, I'd love to introduce them to you. First one, he's Kurt. He's not just a rider and a roaster. No, he's also the best chef in South London. My first rider, for you. Rosetta for the tail. Rosetta for the body. Rosetta for the street. Rosetta for the front part of the motorbike. And then lines and dry foam for the detail. Arm, back wheel, helmet, the base, front wheel, leg, and the sun. My first rider. Enjoy. My other rider, he's Tom. He's the guy who taught me everything I've learned in the last 3 years. I'm so glad I met him along my way. Oh, sorry. My second rider, for you. Enjoy. Last but not least, my designer latte, Mary Poppins. What would you do, judges, if one of your best friends tells you, why don't you try putting Mary Poppins? Well, guess what? I did. And I've been in love with the design ever since. And you know, what was the most difficult thing I have to do while I was training for this pattern? I couldn't stop singing the soundtrack while I was pouring. Judges, I really hope you will love this pattern as much as I do. And now, if you like, grab your umbrella and come fly with us over the chimney into the sky of London. My first Mary. Tulip for Mary's chest. Rosetta for the Thames River. Rosetta for the dress. Rosetta for the umbrella. And then lines and dry foam for the details. Tower Bridge. The moon. Mary's head and her purse. My first one, and now my second one for you. And my second one. And now, I will finish my design with etching technique. The dress first, foot and umbrella stick, purse handle, arm, the detail of the bridge, hair, ponytail, and horizon. My first Mary for you, and my second one for you. Thank you. Thank you. And my second one. Enjoy. Hope you judges had fun. Thanks for your attention. Time.
And that was Alessandro Zengiaro. Oh, buddy. Hello.
How are you doing?
Well done. I'm doing well. How are you doing?
Well, bloody amazing. So
Yeah? Yeah?
it's great.
Hey, I could see on your face the minute you stepped up on stage, you were ready. You were ready to go.
I was. Tomorrow I'll be even better. Today I was still shaking. But
No, well.
I'm sure I can do better.
Let's see what you do tomorrow. I like that.
I hope
like
so.
that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is there anything you want to say to anybody here? There's obviously a big
Look
team.
at this
Ali.
crowd and thank you all to be here. I asked them to be as more Italian as possible, as loud as possible.
Oh,
so
as
that's all.
Italian as possible, as
Yeah.
loud as possible.
Yeah,
Right. You
great.
heard it here first. But thank you so much, Ali. That was an incredible job.
Thank
Super
you
proud
so
of
much.
Take a break.
Yeah, I will.
Drinking a Aperol Spritz.
Yeah, good call.
All right. Catch you later.
you.
Thank you very much. And we're going to cut to a quick commercial break just before our next competitor comes on stage. Stay tuned.